Answer C. Ophthalmologist. Question 2. What is the doctor of teeth called?
Ano ba SMU yun?
Dentist.
Question 10. What is the
Iba
doctor
ba yung
of
office na
stomach
pang
called?
Stomach, gastro, diba?
Answer B. Gastroenterologist.
Not giving! Ako tapos mag-makeup. Tapos pinababa na ako. Oh my gosh.
Hilig yun siguro to sa bata. Oh. Gastos. Si may amigo naman, binigyan niya ng price. Iisipin ko.
Kailan ko yan? Nasa Minisek ko yan.
KB, nandun yung KBB eh.
Okay, baby.
Yun lang.
우리 근처의 학교들은 다 소속돼 있는 1층 연합이 있는데 어디 꽂혀도 상관없으니까 거기 오셔도 좋고요. 아까 지금 겁나 뵙긴 하네.
Ano bang ano mo? Parang pwede na yata sila yung nag-handle ng mga PR. Okay. Grabe. Pwede ano? Mabango. Bakit naman hindi maayos? Hi everyone, I just got home and I'm gonna show you what I got today. So I went to Fully Book and bought a new book. This book, like, I've been seeing it on my FYP and nakita ko na madaming good ratings about this book. So this is How to Win Friends and Influence People. So, ito actually is yung lumang... Oh my god, I didn't check. Fuck. Namili pa ako. Hindi ko naman nakita yung likod. Okay, this is not Slay. Should I just rip it? Anyway, this is the book I got. So, it's by Dale. I don't know how to pronounce his surname. I look so pale. Anyway, this is a book. After that, I went to Sunny's and got a new pouch. So, ginamit ko na siya agad kasi atat ako. So, this is the patent, red patent one. Tapos, nilagay ko lang dito is yung favorite shades ko. So, this is from Comma Pairs. This is my favorite shades. Ever since I bought these, I didn't buy new shades na. Kasi, this is everything that I want. Anyway, this is the pouch. This one naman, I got for like 145 pesos. Kasi I don't like the big one. Gusto ko ganito lang kanipis. This is my third one na ganito kanipis from Sunny's. 3. This one, the Steep Pink, I think. Tapos the red patent. Tapos I have the navy blue, pero I don't know where it is right now. So yeah. And then lastly, I got a new bag from Beyond the Vines. So I got this, the Para Satchel. So I got it in brown. I was choosing between black and brown kanina, pero the black one, I feel like is too masculine and parang common na yung black na ganun. Like you can find it anywhere naman, Adidas, Nike, whatever. Pero this kind of brown, ayoko siya tanggalin kasi ang ganda ng pagkaka-fold and I don't think I'm gonna use it anytime soon naman. It looks kind of big. This is, ano nga siya, parang duffel bag. This is the strap. Tapos, I was fitting this kanina. And maybe I'm gonna use this as my climbing bag whenever I'm gonna go climbing or go to the gym. Kasi super laki niya. And it's very lightweight. So, if ever na madami akong daling, it's not gonna add to the weight ng laman niya. Kasi it's very thin lang. There's like a lot of pockets. First, ito yung pocket niya in front. And there's like slots. And then, there's another. This is a bigger. This one has zipper. Tapos yung isa naman, I don't know if you can see it, pero garter lang siya. Just like the Para backpack, I think. This is the flap. Flap? Oh, meron pa pala isa pa sa likod. May isa pang zipper, like slot, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put my wallet here. So, it's facing me, hindi siya mananakaw. Tapos, it just has this. Very cute. And if I'm gonna use this for climbing, kasha din yung mga, if ever I'm gonna buy, like, climbing shoes na, kasha yung shoes dito, pati yung shock bag and everything. So, very happy with this. So, that's what I got. What happened?
Okay guys, she's making me try the Muse Gloss Bomb. Ito yung Muse, what's this? Muse Gloss Bomb in the shade Moncherie. Wow! Ito siya guys. So hygienic because it's metal. Whatever. Dami sinabi. That's what it looks like. Slay!
Kasama ko yan sa vlog, ah. Are you ready for people to see us?
My real color should be exposed. Let's try it, guys. Oh. Ano ba? Totoo nga.
Ano mo yung sasabing fake?
Hello?
Lang ako open my monitor para may light.
Ah! Wait, bet ko siya.
Sige. Yeah, it's very sheer lang, oh.
Sobrang hindi ganun nag-promote.
Kasama ko yun talaga. Wala kang takas.
Sobrang hindi ganun mag-promote, guys. Dapat ganda-gandahan.
It's very...
It is, like, hindi siya, like,
Hindi
heavy.
siya-
Hindi siya sticky. Babay na nga, nakakainis.